Hey guys, I just wanted to do a follow-up in the last tutorial for the if and else statements. So we were using the illustration of, grandma and girlfriend. If grandma asked you for $100, you would give her $100. But if your girlfriend asks you for $100, you don't want to give her all your money, so you give her $20. Okay. So whenever we're going down through the logic here, we set my cash to $101. But let's go ahead and set that back to $100 the way we had it. Who is going to be girlfriend? So if my cash is less than $100, we're just going to say, no, I don't have $100. And this is what I wanted to show you. Else if my cash is greater or equal to, okay? So I was illustrating operators, and I thought that I should do another video to help you guys show you how you could use $100. I just changed that to 101, which works. But let's go ahead and change this operator to if my cash is greater than or equal to $100, and who's asking? Grandma. So it equals grandma. We're looking for grandma. We're going to echo, here's my cash, Grammy. Okay? And then else if my cash is greater than or equal to $100, and my girlfriend is asking, I'm just going to give her 20 bucks. Okay? Else, if I don't have $100, or if I have $100, and, I'm going to tell them to get a job. If it's not my girlfriend or grandma asking, right? Okay, so let me hit Command S, and let me go to, we're working in statements here. I'm going to refresh this. So here's $20, baby. It's all yours. Okay. So now let's put grandma in the scenario. Copy grandma. Hit Command S. Go to the browser. Refresh. Here's $100, Grammy. Okay. All right. So I hope that cleared some things up for you. Why I didn't use that operator and I just put $101. Probably just slipped my mind, but it's good to have mistakes, and that way we can learn from our mistakes and move on, right? Okay, this is Max with A1 Website Pro, just setting up this clarification. Thanks. Bye.